Hi, Janelle Schaefer here with Sheep Hill Herbs, and welcome to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick video on the bounty that I have collected from my garden this morning. Lots of greens for tea and also greens for salads. It is November 1st and I'm trying to have greens all year round, either from my garden or what I'm growing inside. So I wanted to just show how nice and wonderful these can be late in the season. And I have leaves now that have come down on my garden, so it kind of leaves like a protective bed over the plants so that they're not freezing too much. In fact, we did have frost the other night and didn't kill anything, and it still like rebounded today and looks wonderful. So subscribe, like, and leave a Janelle Schaefer here with Sheep Hill Herbs, and this is going to be another short video, but I was so excited I had to share. So it's November 1st, and my garden is still producing beautiful greens, and these are comfrey leaves. So I'm making a tea, and I have, this is called Gallant Soldier, and I just discovered it this year, and it is an edible, and I've been adding it to our tea for extra strength. And then I have catnip that has been growing right. Oh my gosh, it's just so neat that my plants are growing, looking so nice. Catnip. These are my yarrow leaves. It's not flowering right now, but these are the nice feathery leaves. Why it's called millefolium, because of all these millions of little feathery leaves, and yarrow is a great healer. And then what else did I get here? I think I have some chickweed. Some chickweed. Some more catnip. Look how nice that is. And then I'm just putting all of this in a pot, and I simmer up a pot of tea, a large pot, every morning, and then we drink it throughout the day. I actually wind up leaving it on the stove the whole day, and then we just get a ladle and ladle out what we need each time, and then I do another pot the next day.